Good day, ma'am. One of our top three objectives of sports is leadership and communication skills. Team sports often provide opportunities for individuals to develop their leadership skills, learn to communicate effectively, and work collaboratively towards shared goals.
One of our top three objectives of sport is health. We choose health because health is one of the huge benefits in sports. Health is significant in objective of sport because it affects the player's performance in their sport. It also plays a significant role because it improves the player's physical fitness so that they can perform at their best. It also plays an important role in avoiding both minor and major injuries, and it enhances the player's mental health because doing physical activity or sports can reduce stress and anxiety.
Good afternoon, ma'am. One of our top three objectives of sports is teamwork. We choose teamwork because it fosters collaboration, communication, and a shared sense of purpose among players. Teamwork is important, especially in players to work together to execute strategies, whether it's passing the ball, defending, or attacking. Without teamwork, individual efforts might clash and disrupt the team's overall goal. Teamwork builds trust among teammates. When players trust one another, they are more likely to take risks, share responsibilities, and support each other, which is essential for success in any sport.